you want to cook the best Valentine's Day meal, stay tuned. All right, the first step is going to be to open up these lobster tails and pull them out of the shell. Just going to take some kitchen shears here, cut through the back of the shell, spread it apart a little bit there. Take your delicious lobster meat. Now, for these steaks, again, I want to get a good sear on them when I throw them on the sear kit and the RT700. So I'm just going to season them up. No oil or anything like that. Again, I want a good sear, so I'm going to keep these nice and dry. Give a fair amount of seasoning. I chose ribeyes, but this recipe will also work for any cut of steak. You're really just shooting for an internal temperature. I'm also going to put a little bit of that Dirty Gurl Bloody Mary rub on our lobster tails. The RT700 is rolling at 500 degrees. We're going to put this on the sear kit, rail side up. We're going to shoot for an internal temperature about 125, 130 degrees. It's going to give us a medium rare to medium. What did the farmer give his wife on Valentine's Day? Hogs and kisses. If that don't get you some loving on Valentine's Day, nothing will. Man, this is an amazing meal. There are 3 things you need for the perfect Valentine's Day meal. 1 is a recteq grill, of course. 2 is a lobster. 3 is a delicious ribeye. You can't go wrong. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. You want to see more recipes like this? Go to recteqgrills.com. Make sure you follow us on all social media. Happy Valentine's Day. I'm Jody Flanagan, your recteq grills expert. We'll see you at the recteq.